Spain has been hit by a destructive hurricane named Dana, causing widespread flooding and damage across the country. Nearly 10,000 people were unable to leave their homes as a result of the hurricane's impact. In the Catalan municipality of Alcanar in northeastern Spain, residents were urged to stay indoors due to the risk of severe flooding. Authorities advised residents to move to the upper floors of their homes. Alcanar received a staggering 215 liters of precipitation per square meter in just one day.
Mira, hola, los barriles, las maquinillas. Mira la bolsa.
¡Un carro! ¡Un carro! ¡Dios mío!
Aquí qué buena.
Los gatos.
Se ha apagado la tele.
Mira la cara de los gatos.
Flipa, chaval. Ahora.
Ay, Dios mío, qué desgracia. Ay, pero que no nos coge.
The heavy rain led to the suspension of train services between Valencia and Barcelona by the Spanish railway company. In Madrid, the metro system experienced flooding, leading to the suspension of train services on 2 lines. Several regions, including Andalusia, Castile-La Mancha, and Madrid, were placed under the highest level of danger, red alert, by the National Meteorological Service due to the severe weather conditions. Flooding forced the closure of numerous roads and parks, and a soccer match in Madrid had to be postponed. Tragically, 2 men aged 34 and 31 lost their lives during the storm. They were canyoning in Zaragoza when they reportedly fell into fast-moving water and drowned.
¡Mírale! ¡Mírale! ¡Mírale para arriba! ¡Dale! ¡Ahí va! ¡Cuidado! ¡Cuidado! ¡Las manos! ¡Las manos! ¡Páralo, Tari! ¡Páralo! ¡Cuidado!
¡Mira la piedra! ¡Ahí hay piedra!
¡Adiós! ¡Adiós! Madre mía, chaval. ¡Qué puta locura!
Estimates suggest that the flood damage from Hurricane Dana could exceed 10 billion euros. Many cities experienced severe flooding, with homes, cars, and stores submerged in water.